Today we are unboxing the Magic the Gathering Secret Lair SpongeBob cards. I only bought the land cards because I saw the first announcement that there would be a Magic and SpongeBob collab, and then I did not see anything else for like 5 months. And when I was like, hey, what's happened to that? It was already after the release day, so the only thing left basically was the land cards in non-foil version. But you know what? It's fine. At least I got some cards, even if it's not all of them. And look, when you open it, it says Who Lives in a Pineapple Under the Sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. That's so cool. And there's even a little card. Ah, I love it. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I love it. Now we have the little pack with the cards. See how pretty they are. So there's two of each. So there's the plains, which is Jellyfish Fields. The island is Bikini Bottom. The swamp is Rock Bottom. The mountain is the volcano. The forest is the kelp forest where they get lost sometimes. And the comment tower here is SpongeBob's house. This is actually a bonus card, one of a couple of random cards, and I looked them up online, and honestly this was my favorite, so I'm glad I got it. I wasn't even aware I would have it, but I'm glad I got it. So now let's put them in my cards album. This is a Pokemon album, but who cares? Just getting a blank pocket to put right after my Trubbish card collection. I'm going to put one of each in the album. And now I'm moving my two Sylveon cards that have my favorite trainer on them so that they fill up the rest of the page. So it looks really nice now. And I'm going to keep these probably to play with, but I'm not putting them in a deck yet. So now they're all safe and sound. And I'm really glad I bought these, even if I couldn't get the other two collections. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and I hope to see you again soon.